Hey guys, how's it going? This is Dylan again and welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to take the time to talk to you guys about, getting overwhelmed and basically, like I'm sitting right now and I'm working on an isometric game. I'm working on another game called Mazalistic, which is a puzzle game. And then I'm also trying to grow a YouTube channel, which is a way for me to be able to connect to other game developers, to be able to share my experience. So, you might think that I'm completely crazy, and I'm probably are pretty crazy. I don't know a lot of people that that do what I do, and I met people that do what I do, and I admire them, but I never understood how somebody was able to just produce so much and create so much and at the same time have a lot of fun by doing it. And I think it wasn't until I started making games and I started putting some of those games into mobile devices and desktop applications, and it's just crazy. Like right now I'm sitting right here and I know that I'm building an augmented reality game that is gonna be in the store, and I'm basically gonna be showing you guys how I go through that process. So a few years back, looking at what I'm doing right now and thinking about it now, there's no way that I would be talking to you, and because I was afraid. I was afraid of talking to the camera, talking to people about what I did behind the scenes. But I think people need to know how much goes on behind the scenes of creating a game, how much goes on. I have a day job, and you see me here, working. It's 11 p.m. and I'm not complaining. I just want you to know, how long it takes to create a game and what it takes. So, I have a day job, I have kids, and my kids are in bed, my wife is in bed and they're asleep. And, right after they go to bed, the first thing that I want to do is I used to want to go to the gym and exercise, and now I just want to go into my basement and work. Because I enjoy it. I'm really, really excited about, I already have a vision about what I'm going to be doing for the isometric game. I already know in my mind how I want the game to look like. I know some of the mechanics. I don't know all the details, but I have a vision of what the final product is going to look like. And then for the augmented reality game, I already have a game idea. I already shared the game idea with you guys. And it's crazy because I can see it in my mind. I know how it's gonna work. I know, when I ship it, I know that the people are gonna like it. And the reason why I know and I'm so sure about it is because I believe in what I'm doing. I really believe in the time that I'm investing behind the scenes, the time that I'm putting towards growing my channel and growing some of my games and getting closer to you. So I wanted to just take the time to not always, like, because I don't want to lie to you. I'm not always smiling. I want to be as honest. There's times when they're gonna be super hard, and life is gonna get hard. You're gonna have many roadblocks, and you're gonna think that you're stuck or you have way too many projects, and that's how I'm feeling right now. I feel like I have a lot going on, but at the same time, and it's weird because I'm really excited about what I'm doing, and that's the motivation that I need, and just thinking about that vision, that I know that the end products are gonna turn out to be great. That's what drives me to stay up late and go to bed at 2 a.m. Whatever it takes, I'm gonna make sure that this gets done. So I just wanted to take the opportunity to talk about that. I think we need to be realistic about the journey, and whenever you feel overwhelmed, just find ways to overcome what it feels like an obstacle. And it's really not an obstacle. What it is basically time management, and organizing your time, and make sure that you're using your time really, really well, and not spending time on features that are really not needed for the end product, or things that you can actually ship and add to a future update. So just always think about those things, and things are gonna get better. You're gonna ship your games. You're gonna do really, really well if you stay consistent, you stay persistent, And that's the thing that I'm always thinking about. Consistency is the key here. So I appreciate it, guys. I hope this was, I don't want this to be negative. I want this to be, as realistic as I can be about the journey. And if you have any questions about what I'm doing right now, what I'm planning on doing, just let me know. Hit me up in the comments. And thank you again. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video. So thank you, guys. I appreciate it.